Welcome everyone to my channel, that is Fast and Easy Maths, which is dedicated to give you tips and tricks related to mathematics. So students, as many of you all know that we are just few days away from CAT 2020. So I thought that every day I will push videos which were asked in previous CAT papers and which looked really difficult or which were not solved correctly by most of the students I know of. And I will tell you all the tricks and tips in those sums what you should be applying so that you get to the answer correctly as well as quickly. Okay, so today we are going to discuss a question which was asked in quant section of 2018 CAT paper. Okay, students, these videos are uploaded on my channel between the 5:30 to 6 every day till 29th of November, and the timing is actually Indian Standard Time. Okay, in case if you are preparing for GMAT, then I would request all of you all to please solve these questions because the portion is same for GMAT and CAT. In fact, the difficulty level for GMAT is a bit lesser. So if you are preparing for GMAT as well, then please you can solve all of these questions. If you can solve these correctly, then you can crack your GMAT also very well. Okay, so before beginning with mother solution, I want you all to take a pause and see whether you can solve this question on your own. Okay, so let's begin. If log of 5 plus log of a to the base 3, the whole to the base 2 is equal to 3, and log of 4a plus 12 plus log of b to the base 2, the whole to the base 5 is equal to 3, then a plus b is. Students, please understand, logs is one of the most easiest topic of CAT. If at all you find it difficult, that is only because you do not know the laws of logarithms. Okay, and I'm telling you, please understand the laws of logarithm is very important. That is one of the things which you should be revising like a couple of days before your actual CAT. Okay, I have also made a separate video which is completely based on the laws of logarithm. The link of that will be available in my description and somewhere on the top. Okay, so please go ahead and check that video after finishing watching this video as well. Okay, trust me, it is one of the most important videos you should be having, or one of the most important topics whose basics should be completely clear on your in your head before appearing for CAT. Okay, so now here we have one equation where we are talking about a, and then there is another equation where we are talking about a as well as b. So we should better start with this one because this has just one variable. This one has a as well as b. So God knows if we get the value of a from this equation, then solving the next equation will be very easy. So let me just write this down. So we have log of 5 plus log of a to the base 3 is equals to 3, and this is to the base, this is to the base 2. Okay, now please understand there is a law of logarithm where if you have log of a to the base b which is equals to c, then I can say a is equals to b raised to c. This is very important because maximum number of questions in CAT do take this law into consideration. If you know this law, then you will be able to solve a lot of questions based on logs. Okay, so over here, applying this particular law, we can say that 5 plus log of a to the base 3 is equals to 2 raised to 3. Correct? So this now becomes 5 plus log of a to the base 3 becomes 8, and I've shift 5 on this side. So I can say log of a to the base 3, 8 minus 5 get you 3. So now pause and check what will be the value of a. Correct. When you take the value of a, I basically say, understand student, this particular law is how to remove the log. Okay, so if you want to remove the log, you convert things into exponents. That is why the base shifted on this side becomes over here, and the number over here becomes the index. Okay, so now over here a is equals to 3 raised to 3, therefore a got you the value of 27. Okay, so now let's put this value of a as 27 in the next equation. Okay, so 4 into 27 plus 12 plus log of b to the base 2 is equals to 3. Okay, now we know that 4 into 27 is what? 108 plus 12 plus log of b to the base 2. And since I want to remove the log from this side, I'm going to shift this base over here. So 5 raised to 3. Okay, so 108 plus 12 is 120 plus log of b to the base 2 is equals to 125. Okay, so now things are like really very simple, right? So you shift this 125 on this, 120 on this side. I get log of b to the base 2 is equals to 5. Okay, so now very quickly figure out what will be the value of b. The value of b is nothing but 2 raised to 5, that is 32. Okay, students, these kind of sums actually can be solved in under a minute only and only if you know the laws of logarithm. Okay, if you knew the laws of logarithm, you could have solved this answer in matter of a second, okay, or rather under a minute. Okay, so now I can say therefore a plus b is equals to 27 plus 32, that gets you 59. So I can now say that option B is my correct answer. Okay, students, apart from this, if you have come across any question of previous CAT papers or any other question which you found a bit difficult to understand, I request all of you all to email those questions. I will definitely try to make a video on that or reply to your email as much as possible given the timeline I have. Okay, apart from that, if you are wanting to improve your calculation speed, because that is something which everybody should be good at when you are attempting these exams. So if you are wanting to improve your calculation speed, then I have made a few videos based on Vedic maths tricks. Okay, so those videos are available on my channel. Also I will I think it's available in one of the playlists also, which will be put up in the description. Okay, so please do go ahead and check that out. I cannot stress enough on the importance of these tricks, because trust me, once you get the hang of those tricks, you will be so much good at calculations. In fact, you will be much better than a or rather equal to a calculator when you start applying those tricks. Okay, so that's it for now. I will soon see you quickly, I think tomorrow, with the next video based on similar kind of a question which looks difficult but which was very easy when it came to solving. Okay, so that's it for now. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.